So this is my cat Rosie, and we are constantly on the search for really good cat products and mostly litter boxes because we have gone through a few litter boxes. And so this was actually sent to me for review. Excited to compare it with the one that I have now because it looks amazing. So let's get started. Here is Rosie's existing litter box, and we have the Mikasa one, as you can see here. It has actually been working pretty well, but there's a few things that I don't like. You can see that it's gray, which I actually would prefer a white one because you can see just how dirty it gets, and also in the back and in the front as well. Another thing that I noticed that I don't really love is that if you look at the collection bin here, it's very shallow, like it's super thin. So that means that it kind of collects really easily. And I feel like this light is like always on. So that's telling me that I need to put more litter in there, but I feel like it just kind of wastes a lot of litter, which I don't like. So definitely excited to try the new one, but there are some things about this one I definitely do not like. So excited to see if that one works a little better in those regards. So one of the things I was most excited about with this new litter box is it actually does have the ability to kind of pack the bag for you, which I thought was super cool. So all you have to do is just go to the auto pack, as you can see here, hit OK, and then let it just do its thing. But all it's going to be doing is putting the trash together in the bag. So that way, all I have to do is just grab the bag out of here. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. As you can see here, it says take out the trash. So let's go ahead and open it up and check that out. Look at how easy that is. I can simply grab this bag and throw it away. So easy.